respected judges, mentors, and fellow innovators. A warm welcome from the team TicTac. We are here to present our solution for the problem statement ID 25062. In hilly regions where step farming is practiced, farmers face even a greater challenge. Uneven water distribution, irregular rainfall, and limited storage that makes irrigation extremely difficult. Our solution captures every drop with precision. Along the step edges, half-cut collection pipes are installed to gently guide the rainwater step by step into a single main channel, ensuring no runoff is wasted. Once collected, the water passes through a three-stage natural filtration process. First, through the stones, then through the sand, and finally gravel. This system gradually removes the turbidity and impurities, converting muddy rainwater into clear and usable water. The filtered water is stored in gravity-friendly tanks placed at strategic elevations. This not only secures a reliable water supply but also naturally stabilizes water pressure without the need for expensive pumping systems. For irrigation, the stored water is distributed through drip lines and micro sprinklers, controlled by AI-based automation. This ensures precise watering at the root level and prevents soil erosion, alongside of which maximizes efficiency even in the challenging landscapes of hilly fields. With this approach, we transform rainwater into a sustainable lifeline for farmers. Our agentic AI workflow for smart irrigation starts with gathering crucial field data, such as soil properties, crop type, weather patterns, humidity, wind speed, and soil sensor readings. This information feeds into our prediction model powered by advanced AI and machine learning algorithms, such as Random Forest, LSTM, and XGBoost. The model estimates soil water defect and forecasts the daily and monthly irrigation needs of the crops. The agentic AI then reasons like a farmer would. If the soil defect is less than available water, irrigation proceeds. But if the defect is greater, it prioritizes and delays based on forecast data. For example, if rainfall is predicted, the irrigation is skipped or adjusted. If the wind speeds are too high, the irrigation is avoided, and preference is given to morning hours for efficiency. Finally, the system executes actions either through automated irrigation using valves and pumps or by sending advisory alerts to the farmers. With each cycle, the system learns and updates rules based on feedbacks, compares predicted versus the actual results, and continuously improves efficiency. Farmers also receive alerts for low water storage and irrigation delays. Our live model integrates powerful yet cost-effective hardware for step farming irrigation. A soil moisture sensor continuously monitors ground conditions, while the DHT11 sensor tracks temperature and humidity, alongside of which ESP32 microcontroller acts as the brain, processing all the inputs. For independent communication, we use the GSM SIM 800L module, sending live alerts directly to the farmers. Together, these components make irrigation automated, reliable, and farmer-friendly, all demonstrated live in our working model. The dashboard is the main control center of the smart irrigation system. Farmers can view a real-time overview of their farm conditions here. The page displays critical matrices such as water tank level, soil moisture percentage, temperature, and humidity, all represented visually through progress bars. The dashboard also shows how much water is required to reach the target soil moisture level. The schedule page allows farmers to automate irrigation routines. Instead of turning irrigation on or off manually every time, farmers can set up to time-based schedules. For example, watering the crops every morning at 6 a.m. or twice a day for specific durations. Thank you so much for watching.